Sorry now.
How old are you? You are 15. First son, get their face. Who are together? Why are you going to eh? Imagine. You're not I did for this house to come on. Please. Allow me to talk. This is a gift my husband employed. Just 3 weeks from now. Tell that this guy, once I go out, he go smuggle girls. They're going to threaten her when she no talk. I think tell me. Because they threaten her when she no talk. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? People